Hi everyone who came to my channel. What do we have today? Wow, a lot of toys. The toys are arranged in a J shape. There's a J in the alphabet, guys. Whoa, a lot of toys. Too many friends. Let's see what we have today. Wow, a spider. Are you afraid of spiders? 1 chicken, 1 duck in the egg. I'm spinning them. I spun the egg, and then there was a gun. With a plastic gun that can be fired. Next is an Iron Man. Very cute. It's a grasshopper, guys. A grasshopper. So many dinosaurs, one predatory dinosaur. Very big. Dinosaurs eat meat, guys. A lizard. That's a lizard, guys. A bird-like dinosaur. It's a bird-like dinosaur. Wow! A whale. It's a purple dinosaur, guys. Purple dinosaurs have a lot of spines. A small car. Small car. And this car is a very large off-road car. That's cool, guys. Hugging the robot. I have a robot, guys. Very nice robot, guys. Wow! A dinosaur. Very fat dinosaurs with spines. Dinosaurs, a lot of spines. There's a turtle. A baby turtle. It's a delicious hamburger. Swivel, swivel, swivel. There's a rooster. There's a dinosaur. A very long dinosaur. It's a long tail, guys. The little blue dinosaur. And then there's a gun. Wow, that gun can shoot, guys. But this is just a toy gun. Wow, a little lizard. Next up is a dinosaur. Flying dinosaur. And then there's a little dinosaur with 4 wheels. Next up are the little dinosaurs. My little dinosaurs, my friends. This dinosaur is huge. There are many thorns on the back. A dolphin. A dolphin. Cute dolphin or a 7-color worm. 7 colors, guys. Pink flower. A spider. A lot of legs. There's another dinosaur. There's another dinosaur, guys. A lot of dinosaurs. Brown dinosaur. An elephant. It's a hippopotamus, guys. Fat hippopotamus. A knife. Flowering a pink piglet. Call for wheels. Through a black spider. It's a black spider, guys. It looks scary. A pink shark with one eye, a mouse that can be clamped. Clamping out, clamping in. Wow, I met a hero. Clamping down on smaller animals. A leopard. A leopard. A hippopotamus. There's dinosaurs. There's lots of dinosaurs. A lizard. It's a lizard, guys. A car carrying a very large egg. Inside a lot of things. Lots of animals, guys. A lot of animals. An hourglass. There's a dinosaur. A rhino. This is a rhino. What are you? A dinosaur, guys? So many dinosaurs. That's a hammer shark. Wow, so many toys. That's a lot of toys. Please support me. There are many toys with a blue Doraemon. And 2 cars. There are many dinosaurs. You guys, let's explore together. I hope everyone will support me. Wow, there are 2 eggs. There are many dinosaurs. Please support me. Thank you.